Welcome back. One of two candidates disqualified from running for Bibb County Sheriff has decided to appeal Wednesday's Board of Elections decision. Marshal Hughes and his attorney want a judge to decide whether he can stay in the race. Anthony Montalto explains how two previous disqualification rulings played out in Muscogee County.
Both appeals happened in the same year, 2016, and the appeal from Donna Tompkins actually came up in Wednesday's hearing. Now, both appeals deal with the 3-day rule, which is the same thing that caused the hang-up with Hughes and Ron Rogers.
He made, in my opinion, made the right qualified decision to put us back into the election.
Mark LaJoy remembers it well, defending himself from disqualification before Judge Gary McCorvey, along with Tompkins.
We were going right up to the primary. 8 days prior to the primary, we're deciding whether, we were qualified to run in a race or not.
Their cases are a little different. The Muscogee County Board of Elections found the two did not submit an affidavit affirming their education records prior to the 3-day deadline. But LaJoy says he submitted another affidavit required at the time of qualifying that includes that information.
There it is right there. You sign it. And this is an affidavit. But then they're saying you got to have an additional affidavit. For what?
It's the same document Hughes and Rogers signed when they qualified, saying they'd get their fingerprints done. In the 2016 case, Judge McCorvey decided the important thing was that the two candidates turn the information in, not the time frame. It's something Hughes' attorney tried to convince the board of Wednesday, and that's something LaJoy still can't believe.
This sounds exactly like our case. I was like, come on, man.
So you may be asking how all of this relates to our cases here. Well, the judge found the word shall doesn't necessarily mean must, and that when looking at case law, judges need to interpret that law as broadly as possible in favor of the candidate. Back to you.
Thanks, Anthony. In a statement, Hughes attorney Joseph Siegelman said they believe the board got the decision wrong. So far, Hughes has not officially appealed. Early voting starts April 29th for the May 21st election.